Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Shopify and Email Octopus. So the use case here is, whenever a new customer is created in Shopify, automatically add subscriber in Email Octopus. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Shopify is an e-commerce platform where you can set up your online store and sell your products, whereas Email Octopus is an email marketing software. The issue here is that Shopify and Email Octopus don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So this Pabbly Connect is an integration software with the help of which you can transfer data from Shopify to Email Octopus. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. Okay, so here I am at Google. And now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section from here and I'm going to click on Connect. Okay, so now I am going to sign into my account. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I will scroll down and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to create a new workflow by clicking on this button over here. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as Shopify Integrations. Okay, now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now in Choose App first, I am going to choose Shopify here. Okay. Now, according to our workflow, new customer created in Shopify will be our trigger event over here. New customer created. This one, new customer. So when you click on trigger event, you might have seen that we have various trigger events available. You can select whichever trigger event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger? What am I trying to explain? Let me tell you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when new customer is created will be our trigger event over here. So now when you come down here, you can see a term called webhook URL. Now you again might be confused. Let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So after choosing the app and choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Shopify in our case. So you can read the instructions carefully and you can just follow them. So I am going to copy my webhook URL from here and I'll go to my Shopify account. So this is a dashboard of my Shopify account, and now I'll go to my settings over here. And here you can see notifications. So I'm going to click on notifications. Okay, so now I'll just scroll down, and when I go down, here you can see this term called webhooks. So we are going to create a webhook over here. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so the event here is, according to our workflow, we are creating a new customer. That is why our event will be customer creation. So you can see customer creation is over here. So I'm going to click on it. So our event is going to be customer creation. Format will be JSON URL. So here you have to paste the URL that you got from Pabbly Connect. That is this one. So I'll just paste it over here. Webhook API version will be 2020-10 latest. Now I'm going to save the webhook. Okay, we have successfully saved our webhook over here. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and now it is time to capture the webhook response. Okay, so now it is waiting for webhook response. That means now whenever a new customer will be created in Shopify, Pabbly Connect will capture the information. So now it is time to go and create a new customer in Shopify. So now I'll go to my Shopify account and here you can see online store. So I'm going to open it in new tab. Okay, so this is our store of Shopify. Now here you can see this icon over here. So I'm going to click on it. And from here, we are going to create account. That means we are going to create a new customer's account. Okay, so first name I am going to put John, last name 𝗪𝗆, mobile number, okay, email johnmarkle@gmail.com. Okay, password, I'll just create a password. Okay, now I'm going to create an account for this new customer. Okay, we have successfully created a new customer by creating a new account in Shopify. So now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see Pabbly Connect has already captured the response. The customer ID is here. The email is here. If you go down, you can see the created time, updated first name, last name. Okay, you can see the phone number is also here. If you go down here, you can see the currency. Okay, so now we have successfully finished our first step integration. That is integration of Shopify and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to save it. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate email_octopus and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here and I'm going to add an action step over here. Okay, so now in choose app first, I am going to choose email_octopus. Okay, now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever a new customer is created in Shopify, we want to add subscriber in email_octopus. That is why add subscriber over here will be our action event. Okay, now you can see we have various other action events available. You can select whichever action event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. Now I'm going to click on add subscriber because this is our action event over here. So now I'm going to click on connect with email_octopus. Okay, create new or select existing credentials. So here you have an option either to create a new credential or you can just select any of the existing ones like these. So here I am going to create a new credential. Okay, so in order to create new credential here, you have to get your API key from email_octopus account. The instruction is clearly written over here. Log into your email_octopus account, navigate to top right drop down integrations in API, and then from API section, you can get your API key. Okay, so I've already logged into my email_octopus account. This is my email_octopus dashboard. And here in my user settings, I'm going to click on integrations and API. Okay, so now here you can see API, use our developer API. So I'm going to use it. Okay, so this is our API key over here. If you want, you can also revoke the key. Now I'm going to copy this to clipboard. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it over here. So now this API key is going to help us to build a connection between email_octopus and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on save. Okay. So now here you can see we have some fields over here and we have to fill the information that we have got from our webhook response. So we are going to map the necessary details. First is list. So here you might have already created some list in your email_octopus account that are getting displayed over here. If you want, you can also create a new list and then select it over here. If I go back to my email_octopus, I'll go to my lists. Here you can see I have so many lists already created over here. Now I am going to show you how to create a new list. Shopify list for customers. Okay, create. Okay, so you can see I have created one more new list called Shopify list for customers. You can see I have these many lists and the new list that I created is here. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just refresh this once. Okay. So now here you can see we have the new list over here. I'm just going to select it. Email address. So here I'm just going to map the email ID. Okay. Status, you can select whichever status you want. I am just going to let it be subscribed. First name. First name is John, last name is 𝗪𝗆. Okay, so we have filled all these fields over here. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, we have our API response. That means we have successfully finished the integration of Shopify and Email Octopus here. I'll just save it once. Okay, now we are going to go to Email Octopus and now we are going to check if we have created a new subscriber called 𝗏𝗪𝗆@gmail.com there or not. So I'll go to my Email Octopus and here you can see this list, Shopify list for customers. I'll just open this list over here. Okay, so you can see 𝗏𝗪𝗆@gmail.com is over here. First name is John, last name is 𝗪𝗆, and you can see the time added. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So what I'm going to do is I'll go back to my Shopify store and I'm going to create a new account for the new customer. I'll just log out the previous one. And now I'm going to create an account again. Okay, so the first name is going to be Fiona, last name Stevenson, mobile number, email fiona123@gmail.com, password is Fiona. Okay, create. Okay, so we have successfully created a new account for the new customer. Now we are going to go back to Email Octopus and check if a new subscriber called Fiona Stevenson is created there or not. I'll go to Email Octopus. I'll just refresh this page once. Okay, so you can see Fiona123@gmail.com. First name is Fiona, last name is Stevenson. So we have successfully added a new subscriber when a new customer was created in Shopify. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Shopify to Pabbly Connect. Then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to Email Octopus. So now every time a new customer is created in Shopify, automatically a new subscriber will be added in Email Octopus in the specific list that we have specified. So we have successfully finished the integration of Shopify and Email Octopus using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.